Hi guys, a pleasant good day to you all. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious sweet and sour pineapple glazed salmon. Let us take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have 4 salmon fillet that I already washed, and I'll be using some pineapple juice, bell peppers, I have pineapple chunks, red onions, garlic, vinegar, some black pepper, complete seasoning, ginger powder, brown sugar, cornstarch, some chili paste, ketchup, and soy sauce. To season the salmon, here I have some garlic and onion powder, complete seasoning, and some Old Bay seasoning. Basically what I did was coat the fish with some oil, and then I went in with the seasoning, make sure that it was evenly coated on both sides, and sit and marinate for about 10 minutes. Here to a preheated skillet, I've added some oil, and now we'll go ahead and sear the salmon on both sides. You do not have to cook it all the way through right now because we will be finishing it off in the sauce. So once it's golden brown on one side, give it a flip, allow it to brown on the other side. Then we'll remove and carry on with the same process until all the salmon is nicely seared. Next, we'll go ahead and saute our vegetables. So here I've added the onions, garlic, and the bell peppers. Give it a good toss and allow it to go for about 3 minutes or so. So at this point, we will add the rest of our ingredients. Give everything a good stir. Make sure it's well combined. And we will allow this to come up to a simmer before we add the cornstarch. Once this comes up to a simmer, you want to give it a good stir, allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, that's when you want to come in with your salmon fillet. Once the salmon is added, you want to make sure they are coated well with that sauce. And then we will allow it to simmer on low heat for about 3 minutes, allowing it to soak up all of that yumminess and absorb all the flavors. After about 3 minutes, the salmon is now done. It smells absolutely amazing and I can't wait to dig in. So let me turn the heat off and plate everything up. So I did plate it up with some seasoned rice and sauteed asparagus, and it was absolutely amazing. The salmon was so flavorful and perfectly cooked, guys. You have to try this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.